Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie, and here on my channel, I show you how to use technology to become the best online teacher you can be. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a GIF of yourself. It is so fun to put GIFs in your lessons when it's your own self. I've used GIFs before in my lesson, and when I come to a slide with it, I have some students who are like, "Wait a second, is that you?" So it's a lot of fun, and students love GIFs. They're eye-catching, they're a quick attention grabber. They love them. So I'm going to show you how to create your own GIF using yourself. And it is a fairly simple process. So all you need is your phone and we are good to go. So the first thing that we are going to do is record a short video clip with our phone. And this is going to become our GIF. So what you're going to do is put your phone up somewhere on, I have a pop socket. So if I pop it off, I can set it on my computer monitor and find that that's pretty eye level. I also have this gooseneck arm. Let me show you. So this gooseneck, it makes it easy for recording videos. My phone goes right in here, and then this part clamps to my desk, and I can adjust it easily for different angles so I can make sure my camera is right at eye level where I need it to be. So this is very helpful. But again, if you don't have it, and if you have a pop socket, just put it on your monitor. It works just great as well. So I'm going to put this back and we can get started. So you're going to open up your camera and we're going to record a quick little. So there we go. I'm going to clip you guys in. There we go. Okay. So we're going to make it video. Okay. And when you record your video, make sure it is a nice clean background behind you. It will make it perfect for removing your background. Mine is too busy, so if I would record just against a blank wall just like this, and that would be fine. Okay. So let's record a quick little video. It doesn't have to be long. We will trim it. So just a couple times. I'm gonna scoot back. So I'm in it. I'm gonna be yes, or so I want all my arms in it. There we go. So maybe I'll do something else. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, and then click stop. And now we're going to trim this video. It is a GIF, so we want just a couple seconds because it's going to loop. So I'm going to trim this video. Oh, later. Okay. Trim it, and I'm going to find the best. Right now it's 14 seconds long. I'm going to find the best parts of it. So, and let's keep going. There we go. I have just one arm. So 4 seconds, and then I always trim off the ending because it's usually you pushing the stop button. We don't want that in our GIF. Okay, then we can play it. Okay, that is fine for now. And then click save. There we go. Okay, and then you can always choose to save the original or whatnot. So after I am done with this video, we want to erase the background of this video. GIFs usually have the background erased. Now you don't have to erase the background, but it looks cleaner when it's on your presentation with that background erased. So what you're going to do from here is go to a site, the site unscreen.com. So unscreen.com, And it's going to look just like this. So once you have this, click upload clip, and then you're going to already created a clip and trimmed it and whatnot. So we're going to use that one, but it looks like you could record a clip right into the site as well. So it's uploading, and now you can see, because of my background, it is not a clean background that erased part of my arm. For now, I'm going to leave it, but if I was actually recording this for a class, absolutely make sure I have a clean background behind me, and it will get rid of this little you can't see my arm thing. It will get rid of it just like that. Okay, so once I have our video, we need to download this video clip. I'm going to click download as GIF. And we are ready to go. Your GIF is ready to go. All you have to do is upload it to the site of your choice. If you're using Canva, upload it to Canva. If you're using Google Slides, upload it to Google Slides. To upload it to Canva, I'm going to do that from my phone as well. So back to your phone, you're going to go to the Canva app. Download the free Canva app. If you don't have it yet, I highly recommend you get it. Now we're ready to upload it to our Canva lesson. So using our phone again, we're going to access Canva and click on the lesson you want to upload it to, and then click on this plus button again. Then we need to upload media, and then you have to go find it in your phones and in your phone. In mine, because we downloaded it from our Unscreen site, it's going to be in my downloads folder. Just click on it and it's going to start uploading it to Canva. Now I've already uploaded it, so all you have to do once it's uploaded is just click on it and it will insert it right into your lesson. And again, you can edit it from your phone, or at this point, because it's in your lesson now and upload it to Canva, you can head to your computer and work with it from there or edit it from there. It's pretty cool. And that is how you create a GIF with yourself. It is so fun to see students, and it kind of catches them off guard. We're like, wait a second, I know the person in that GIF. It's my teacher. It's really cool. Leave a comment below if you are going to use a GIF in your own classroom. I would love to know if you're going to use it or how you're going to use it. And it's tell me what your students think when you use it. I would love to hear. So be sure to leave a comment below and hit that subscribe button so you are aware of future videos to help you with your technology and teaching online. And I will see you guys next week in next week's video. Bye guys.